Okay, we're going to look at a grade 12 geometry question, and it uses things you've learned from grade 11 and this idea of proportionality and similarity and all that kind of stuff. So let's try. First, read the description really carefully. In geometry, it's always a good idea. In the diagram, DE is a tangent, so that's a tangent line to the circle at E. And it says DFG is a straight line. They say DE and EF and FG are all the same length. And they say that FH is parallel to DE. You're looking at all that. It is given, further given that DF over DE equals Y. They're saying that ratio, DF over DF over DE is equal to Y. And then they say, let DEF equal X. Okay, so now that we understand the whole diagram, let's try some questions. Okay, the first question is name 3 other angles that are equal to X. Well, this is a tangent line. FE is a chord, and the tan chord theorem says that this X here must equal this X up in the top of the triangle that subtends the same chord EF. So G equals X because of the tan chord theorem. Well, that's one thing that must be true. We can get other X's too. We can use the parallel lines to get an X here. There's more than one way to do these, but we could get that this angle here, EFH, is equal to X because of EFH is equal to X because of alternate angles being equal. I did them out of order a little bit here. You can see how it's different. And then the angle EF, FEH rather, FEH, I think that might even be not quite right here. We could get another angle equal to X. Oh, we do. FEH must equal X. No, it's just right. Why is angle FEH equal to X? Because these two sides are equal and there's equal angles opposite equal sides. Gee, I did it in a different order than I was thinking here, but it all makes sense. G is X because of the tan chord theorem. EFH is equal to X because of alternate angles you can see there. And FEH is equal to X because of equal angles opposite equal sides. Let's look at the next question. Prove that EH over HG is equal to this ratio Y. EH over HG is equal to Y. And back here, it was given that Y is DF over DE. So let's go through this. Let's try this. Okay. We know that DE equals FG because all of these sides are equal. So that's a given. That's a given. Oops, I'm looking for, there we go. DF over DE equals Y. That's given, and we know that DE is equal to FG because of the same length. Well, if that's true, then DF over DE equals Y, then DF over DG equals Y, because DE equals FG. We just substituted in there. So we've got DF over FG equaling Y. Well, that has to equal EH over HG. And why is that? Well, the proportionality theorem says that if DE is parallel, if you have this pair to FH, if FH is a parallel to the base of a triangle, then it divides the sides proportionally so that EH over HG will equal DF over FG. And hey, DF over FG is equal to Y. So therefore, EH over HG must equal Y as well. Okay, we'll do the next parts of these questions in the next video. Okay.